thank you for the first 5x9. Also 5x9, a strong signal coming to my radio at the moment. And very good afternoon and have a good weekend with the family. Radio Kilo 6 Alpha Hotel, Yankee Charlie 1, Charlie Whiskey, Kilo all the best, 73, bye-bye. Something Echo Charlie Kilo, come again. Mike Charlie Kilo, please complete your call center. My call center is Yankee Charlie 1, Charlie Whiskey Kilo, Yankee Canada 1, Canada Washington Kilo 1. Roger, thank you for the 5x9. Please come again your call sign. Please come again your call sign. What is your traffic, Roger? Okay, Delta Lima 6, Mike Charlie Kilo. Delta Lima 6, Mike Charlie Kilo. You are 5x9. And my name is Yun, like Yankee United November. Mike, back to you, Peter.
My name is Yun, with Yokohama.
Like yourself. My city name is Depok, like a Delta Echo, Papa Oscar Kilo. It's about 20 kilometers south of Jakarta. Jakarta is the capital of Indonesia. Mike, back to you, Pete. What is your club station? Come again. VK0 Papa Tango, KSL. Delta Kilo 0 Papa Tango for the club station. Okay, no problem. I can send you the KSL card. What is your operator name, Roger? Okay, so DK0 PT is the club station now for the university quiz.